Good evening, everybody. Today is going to be a little bit of a different vibe. It's going to be a really quick, short video, mostly just talking about products that I use for my hair. So it's going to be different from a makeup tutorial. It's a hair tutorial. For many people who don't know, I'm actually triracial. I'm 3 different races. I'm half black, a quarter Indian, and a quarter Irish. So I definitely have like a lot of curl to my hair. The first product that I'm actually going to talk about is the Gabriel Union like heat protecting spray. I liked it. It definitely got my hair really straight, but like if I bumped it at the end, that end was staying bumped. It made my hair a little bit more stiff, and I don't know like what's in it because it says it's sulfate, paraben, gluten, cruelty free, but I do feel like it protected my hair really well. Maybe it was just too heavy of a product. And now I'm actually trying out the Hot Sexy Hair, the Protect Me spray. And so basically I just like spray it like in between, like as good as I can at the roots because, you know, it's new growth, and then like try and get my ends pretty decent without saturating it too much, and it works pretty good. For a like a serum, I normally only ever have like 3 products in my hair when it's straightened most of the time. So I have a heat protectant in. I always have like a kind of serum in my hair. It definitely makes it more shiny and less frizz, and I actually straighten it with that in there. So I use the TRESemme Keratin Smooth, the 5 system in 1 with marula oil, and the other half of the time I'm using a Paul Mitchell, the Skinny Serum. So I have like drugstore, Walmart, you know, and then high end, because these 2 were definitely only at Ulta and they were more expensive. This one I actually got from Ross and it was only like $5. And then this one was from Walmart, and I got it for, I want to say like $4, something like that, around there. So it's pretty cheap. And then the only other product that I have other than a heat protectant and a serum in my hair whenever I'm like my hair is straight is I will have a dry shampoo in my hair after maybe the 2nd day, because that's when my scalp gets kind of oily, because I've been trying to work out a little bit more, so it definitely needs it. And I use the Batiste, the dry shampoo for dark hair. And I'm going to use the Hot Sexy Hair first all over my hair. So I'm back. My hair is all the way dry. If you can't tell, it's a lot bigger than it was before. And this is just like how my hair is, like with barely any product in it and dry. So I'm going to speed through a lot of this part. Probably not even going to like talk through it because it's pretty straightforward. I have a paddle brush, a brush, a hard bristled brush, a clip to hold the other hair back, a straightener. It's just a Power IQ one. I got it in my kit whenever I went to cosmetology school, so that's how I got that. I don't even know where you would get that brand. I've never seen it at like any of the other stores. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
The Don't you ever think it's another me, girl, on everything. It's a lot on me, I cannot be seen, I cannot be taking apologies. Yeah, they proud on me, cause that bag on me. Yeah, they after me, I got racks on me, got the stash on me, think they gassing me, yeah. Hoodie on low, but I stay focused, yeah. It's hard to stay low and everybody know this, yeah. Look back at it, she ain't never do this before, but she good at it. So she never made love, but she good at it. She make a nigga feel good when I look at it. I get goosebumps when I look at it. Oh, girl just wanna have fun with it. Oh, the girl just wanna have fun with me. These girls ain't really no good for me, yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah, got a new biz that I ain't promoting. Yeah, all of my friends love money doing. Da 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 da. Can I come by? I get a different type of fly. Hit a lick and split it with my guys. Getting rich, I'm really lit, but I ain't shit. I admit it, but I try. If I'm wrong, just tell me that I'm right. Let me tell you something about my life. Look back at it. So she never made love, but she good at it. I get goosebumps when I look at it. All the girls just wanna have fun with me.
Okay, hi everybody. I went ahead and finished the rest of my hair off camera because I thought it was kind of redundant that I was like just doing my hair, all of it on camera. So I think you guys got the gist of it. Basically, it's only a little bit different at the second half because I over-direct it. And by over-direct it, I mean, let's say I take a section of hair and it normally sits either down or it goes backward. So for more volume's sake, I brush it forward. Whenever I straighten it down this way, and then just push it back. And it gives it a lot more volume. It stays more voluminous from the gate. So it'll stay this voluminous for about 2 days. And by like the 4th day, my hair is probably greasy and flat. So I can save some of it with my dry shampoo. And also it gets greasy and flat because, you know, it does lose a little bit of shine. Because, you know, it doesn't have as much moisture because you crush all the moisture out of your hair when you straighten it. So putting serums on it is going to make it more greasy. So also another reason for the dry shampoo. So normally it takes me about 45 minutes to do my hair, like the straightening part, after it's dry. So if you use a hair dryer, which I don't recommend because I don't think it's really all that necessary since you're about to put more heat on it, but do what you want. So basically that's how I get it, and just chase with a big wider tooth comb if you don't have like a paddle brush, and then I chase with either a rat tail comb or the brush that I have right here. My hair would just so happen to be a little bit more tangly since I dyed it, so that's why I'm using a brush instead of a rat tail comb. Thank you so much everybody for watching my videos all the way to the end. I'll see you next time, and I actually have a video already planned for a at-home lash lift kit. So I'll see you in my next video.